guys, Jamie from Polaris Equipment Motorsports here. I'm here with the new 2021 Polaris Indy VR1. VR1's available in the 850 and the 650. The 650 is also new in the Patriot engine now. This one here is our 850, the flagship. But total refinements on this sled. Console area is 5 inches narrower, easy transition up the side of the sled to keep it handling nice and flat through the trails. So the Matryx platform was very inspired from the race department on our snowcross circuit with this console area. And just the ease of being able to slide from one side to the other is just effortless. You're not having to think about twisting the knee out, bringing it forward. And then with this seat material, sliding back and forth is effortless. You don't have to think about lifting yourself up to move from one side to the other. It's literally just sliding. New bar setup, new brakes. Everything about this sled is just unreal, the improvements that have been made. The Axis chassis is an unreal chassis as it is, but the Matryx is just that next step forward. Some other refinements that I did, the fit and finish of this sled is top notch. No more rubber bungees. Nice, easy sliding in on the panels and locking in with quarter turns. Another new feature that comes on the VR1 is our night blade headlights. These headlights are very automotive style, where at low beam you're going to have that straight line, but a high beam lights up the night and the trail in front of you. Stepping back on the sled, we got new left-hand controls on the handlebar, along with the new 7S display. So if you want to check in the 7S display here. So this here's the new 7S display. Basically came from our off-road side with full color integration, big font. We got a bunch of different styles. You can switch from daytime to nighttime, full touchscreen. Really like this nighttime display. We can switch to different information that we want. As well, we can pair our phones and play music and control the music through the gauge. And then your mapping. Again, full touchscreen, move around, zoom in, zoom out. But one cool function with this sled is now the group ride function, where you can add different riders that have the 7S display or the Ride Command app and follow each other. You can actually set a leader and follow his track and know his speed, how far ahead he is. Really cool functionality in this this gauge, which a lot of people have been asking for. That bigger gauge, easier to read, more functionality out of it. Tons of storage in behind the gauge. Probably fit 5 water bottles in there. Lots of room. There is an insert liner if you want something that's nice, easy removable. But huge improvement there for us. And then velocity shocks all the way around this sled. The velocity shocks are unreal. I've been able to put a ton of miles on this sled in the past couple days, and it is by far the best handling sled we've ever had. The Walker Evans velocity shocks are so easy to adjust and definitely resist the bottoming out. As the piston comes past the reservoir, it goes into an anti-bottoming effect. So just again, brings this sled to the top of the line, really the top of the line into the industry. Another nice thing that the Polaris added is the smart warmers. With the smart warmers, it's no longer just a high-low off setting. You got 3 different heat settings that you can set within the gauge to different degree settings that will consistently keep the hand warmers at that temp. So if you're coming across the lake and you get that crosswind, it's going to heat up the right-hand side of the grip and leave the left one, so it's going to consistently stay at that temperature. So on the display here, to change all the settings, we can go into here, and we got our different heat modes. So as you can see, our medium setting on this slide, we got 105 for the grips, 111 for the thumb warmer, and when we go up to high, 143, 135. So it's all adjustable within the gauge to set up how each rider wants it, or how you prefer it for your comfort. Or with the smart warmers, it powers up the grips with full power till it gets to that temp setting and then consistently holds it. Redesigned seat, much I'm gonna say slippery, it's not really the right word, but less grip, which makes the transition from one side of the sled to the other effortless without having to remember to lift yourself up to move from one side to the other. We also have new storage underneath the seat. So big storage area underneath here. If you want to own the Matryx VR1, make sure to snow check your sled, as it is going to be a snow check exclusive model for 2021. So you can get it in the 850 Patriot or the new 650 Patriot, which, to touch on the 650, that is an unreal motor. You won't be disappointed no matter what class of sled you currently own. The torque of that 650 is amazing, but again, is going to be snow check exclusive. So make sure to get in, place your snow check deposit, and get ready to ride next winter.